Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For those who don't know me, my name is Nurul Ilza binti Ibrahim, IDI 1806110. I am from DEC 60 class and I am a semester 6 student of Diploma in English Communication from College Professional Mara Indra Makota. So for the purpose of today's video is I would like to talk about introduction of myself and my responsibility throughout SOC campaign. And the campaign that I have talked about is about the social campaign for my group project assignment for my SOC 3533 subject, which is intercultural communication, society, states, and the individual. So I am as one of the group members of Kehermosa. So some of you guys might want to know, might wonder what it meant by que hermosa. So, que hermosa is a Spanish word that means the most beautiful or the good looking adjective. So for my group, which is Que Hermosa contains of 7 members in our group, and each of members have their own position. And we are currently supporting a campaign by introduced by the Duff Company, which is My Beauty My Say campaign. And we have come up with our motto, which is beauty beyond boundaries. So in this campaign we wanted to help to encourage every man and woman in this world to stand up for their own beauty, and we also would like them to challenge themselves and stand up for their own beauty and overcome what other people said about the judgment and about themselves. So let's move on to my roles, my responsibilities, or my function. Okay, I am as the fundraising executive of Que Hermosa. So as a fundraising executive, actually I am responsible for like a few I have a few responsibilities as a fundraising executive, and one of them is planning the fundraising executive or event, and I have to do research for potential sponsors for our campaign, and I am the one who responsible to write for the sponsorship letter, and I have to take part in every strategies and planning about the fundraising of my group, as I said earlier, because I am the fundraising executive, and I am the one who needs to cooperate with our treasurer, which is Nik Nur Fatihah, regarding Que Hermosa Financial. So that's all my responsibilities and my roles as a fundraising executive for Que Hermosa. So actually there are several mediums of fundraising that we as a students of SOC 3533 can conduct in order to help in fundraising for our campaign. And the medium that I have talked about is one of them is services. We can do like services for any maybe cleaning lectures room or whatever. And another medium that we can conduct or we can have in order to help in fundraising for our campaign is organizing an event or activities, and the maybe we can do a crowdfunding and sponsorship or even a grant for help in finding a fundraising finding a fund for our campaign. So as for me, my experience in facing if anyone asks me what are my experience in facing any conflict that occurred during the time that I am as the fundraising executive of Que Hermosa for our campaign, I would like to say that actually we are not advised to do any crowdfunding because it may be some consequences and a problem if we do this medium of fundraising. So I think that's the conflict that happened because back when we in CSR team, we have do many crowdfunding with the students of College Professional Mara in Ramakota. And the second one is during the campaign of Care Hermosa campaign My Beauty My Say, what can I say is I am, as the fundraising executive, in order for us to find the fund for our campaign, it's like we have to compete with other SOC groups. It's actually in our semester have 20 groups of SOC campaign, and we also have to compete with other CSR group in finding money for our campaign or for our CSR. And what I meant by we need to compete with each other is like every time we organize any program or any fundraising event or activity, there must be any group that do the same activity just like us. And even in our college, there's not many students, as we have around 1,000 plus only. So we have to make sure that if we have organized activity, we have to make sure that people come to support our activity for the sake of fundraising. And as a fundraising executive, I think that in order for us to find a fund for our campaign is quite hard, because we do not have much time in finding any sponsor or conducting many fundraising event, as we have other assignments and that we have to that have to be completed. So we have to manage our time well. That's one of the conflict that I need to face during my time as a fundraising executive. So actually we need to manage our time and the fund. As a fundraising executive, I need to make sure that the fund of Care Hermosa is well managed by me and the treasurer. So it's quite hard for me, as it's my first time being a fundraising executive. And the last but not least is I remember during our movie screening on at the end of January, I think we have organized a movie screening, but sadly we lack of support from our from our juniors for our movie screening, because at that time we did it at a main hall, but there's not so many students who came to support us. So I think it's one of the biggest conflict that I've been through as a fundraising executive. And during the campaign of Care Hermosa My Beauty My Say, what can I say about my significant contribution for this group, particularly Care Hermosa group, is I have organized the movie screening at the end of January 2020, and we also managed to sell beverage at the hostel during the Week Without Walls. And I am the one who go out to buy for the preparation for our fundraising activities. And as a fundraising executive, I would like to say that I have managed to complete my sponsorship letter before the date of our large scale project. But sadly, because of the RMO, so we have to cancel all of the plan. And I'm also managed to get the ASK money for our workshop, which is beauty and confidence workshop that we wanted to organize. We already have the approval for the ASK money, but sadly we can't organize this workshop. And the question, if I have to do it again, how would I do it differently? So first and foremost, I want to organize more and more events and activities for Care Hermosa fundraising activity, because I think that to be compared with Care Hermosa and other group, maybe other group, they have much more activities that they have conducted. And if I have the opportunity to be the fundraising executive again, I will do like more and more activities, and I will come up with maybe organize services like cleaning lectures room or whatsoever, for the sake of finding the fund for Kehermosa, and I will definitely prepare the sponsorship letter earlier so that we can secure the sponsorship even before the event that we wanted to organize our large scale project. And last but not least, I will take note of every activity, fundraising activities that Kehermosa had conducted in order for me to write it in the report for our presentation maybe. So I would like to do the documentation better. So I think that's all from me, the fundraiser executive of Kehermosa. Thank you. Bye.